Thank you so much for watching. Today I'm going to be going over the Snella Body Contouring Lipolaser System. The Snella Lipolaser is a technology that emits a harmless low-level laser that works by dissolving fat cells and enabling the body to eliminate the fat contents via the lymphatic system. Through like the sweat, urine, and deposition. When performing lipolaser, we suggest to analyze the patient's health condition prior to treatment, then measure the perimeter of the body parts to be treated in addition to the height and weight of the patient. Then, to gently massage the area for about 7 minutes in order to prepare the skin for the procedure. That's when you then can place the patient in the appropriate position to place the pads and begin treatment according to the area to be treated. So what you're going to do is place the Velcro strips on the area, depending on how much skin has to be covered. 1, 2, or 3 Velcro strips should be used. Next, you're then going to place the pads under the Velcro strips. Adjust the Velcro strips to ensure that the pads will not move during the treatment. Make sure that you have the purple side facing down towards the skin. The small pads are placed on the lymphatic areas such as the armpit and groin to provide lymphatic drainage. There's no need to do manual lymphatic drainage with the system. So when going over the screen, we have the timer, modes, and then the pad intensity. With my client here, I'm going to go ahead and put her on for about 30 minutes. I'm going to make sure that I'm going to start with mode 1, and then I'm going to just set my intensity all the way up to high. We have 3 different modes in the system. There's mode 1, mode 2, and mode 3. And what they basically mean is mode 1 is a constant light, mode 2 is going to be a flashing, and then mode 3 is going to be a faster flashing. We suggest switching between modes between treatments to prevent any muscle memory. Well, I hope this video was helpful. Please leave us some feedback in the comments and remember to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.